praise is due to Allah, Lord of the worlds. May peace and blessings be upon our Master Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa-sallam, his family, and his noble companions. Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We begin our spiritual journey with the best human being, the leader of the children of Adam on the Day of Judgment, the intercessor, the beloved of our hearts, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa-sallam. Speaking about him is an honor. Loving him is an act of worship. Following him is the path to paradise. He is more beloved to us than our parents, children, our own selves, and all people. We will explore his life from his noble birth to his departure, the greatest sorrow that befell this ummah, his childhood, his mission, the migration, the struggles and victories, every moment that illuminated humanity's path. He is the light and mercy that transformed history. Allah Almighty said, قَالَ تَعَالَى بِالْمُؤْمِنِينَ رَءُوفٌ رَحِيمٌ. He is full of kindness and mercy to the believers. We learn about him to follow his guidance. Obeying him is obedience to Allah, and whoever follows him enters Jannah, while whoever rejects him exposes himself to the hellfire. A man once cried out of fear of being separated from him. He was asked, "What makes you cry?" He said, "I fear that I will not see you after I die." The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa-sallam said, "A person will be with whom he loves." We ask Allah to gather us with the beloved sallallahu alayhi wa-sallam in the highest levels of paradise. For centuries, the Arabs lived upon Tawheed since the time of Prophet Ismail alayhi salam, worshipping Allah and performing Hajj to the sacred house. But one man, Amr ibn Luhayy, changed everything. He traveled to the Levant, saw idol worship, admired it, and brought an idol to Makkah. He convinced Quraysh and other tribes to worship idols. Tawheed faded and shirk spread everywhere. Even their supplications during Hajj were corrupted. Labbaik la sharika lak, except a partner you own. Allah Almighty said, وَمَا يُؤْمِنُ أَكْثَرُهُمْ بِاللَّهِ إِلَّا وَهُمْ مُشْرِكُونَ. Most of them do not believe in Allah except while associating others with him. Idols were touched, circled around, slaughtered for, and called upon besides Allah, believing they would intercede for them. Idol worship expanded in the Arabian Peninsula, and shrines were built. Al-Lat in Ta'if, Al-Uzza in Naqla, Manat in Yathrib. Superstitions dominated society. Bad omens in birds and days, magic, soothsayers and fortune-tellers, seeking help from the jinn. Allah said, فَزَادُوهُمْ رَهَقًا. But they only increased them in fear and misguidance. Some would make idols from dates, and when hungry, they ate them. Jahiliyyah was a time of severe moral decay. Zina and immorality. Many forms existed, including prostitution and relationships outside marriage. Islam came and declared, وَلَا تَقْرَبُوا الزِّنَا إِنَّهُ كَانَ فَاحِشَةً وَسَاءَ سَبِيلًا. Do not even approach zina. Indeed, it is an outrage and an evil way. Oppression of women. Women were humiliated and belittled, treated like property, inherited with belongings. Worst of all, burying baby girls alive out of shame. وَإِذَا الْمَوْءُودَةُ سُئِلَتْ بِأَيِّ ذَنْبٍ قُتِلَتْ. And when the girl buried alive is asked, for what sin was she killed? Endless tribal wars, bloodshed over trivial matters, a camel, a word, or even a look. Despite the corruption, good qualities remained. Generosity, for example, Hatim al-Tai and Abdullah ibn Jugan. Loyalty to promises, pride and refusal of humiliation. The Prophet ﷺ said, "I was sent to perfect noble character." Islam preserved the good and erased the evil. In this world of darkness, Mecca was preparing for the greatest event in history, the birth of the light, Muhammad ﷺ. He came to bring humanity from worshipping idols to worshipping the Lord of all creation. Like light breaking through the night, the Beloved came to guide the world to truth.